All right, hey guys, I was hoping for a little bit of a dip here, but we just took out the top just a second ago here. So I'm still bullish. I'm going to place a bull spread. Usually when we're high, I usually put on a call spread, but I think we're going higher and we're above where I had put on the potential trade. So we're going to have to move those up a little bit. Let's see what happens here. 43. Let me see here. So this is the puts, and these are 60. So I'm going to go ahead and place that. See if we get it in. Right now it's at 57. I'm going to move that down a little bit to 55 and try that. Okay, that got filled at 55. Okay, so we've got, ooh, nice move up. Let's see where this guy is. So we've got 44.60, 44.70 at 55, and I'm going to go ahead and take that one as well. Let's see if we can get it in. We got it in. So let's see. We still haven't got the positions in, so let me share those with you. Both at 55, and so we got the put side. Let me place that, and we got the call side. I'm going to put that in as well. All right, so there is a chance that this guy's going to go higher. If it does, I'm going to be rolling that trade because we already have a put position for tomorrow. So it'll complement that trade in case it gets threatened. That's what's good about having these trades. They work out, and we'll be able to widen it because the bottom ones are widened as well. All right, guys, let's have a great day. Hopefully we'll make some money today. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks.